First part of the program is our City Sports Development Officer, none other than Mr. Michael Menton Abornadera. And to start off, we would like to hear the welcome message of our VP for LPU, Dr. Ken James Marin.
Post na to niya. Post na to niya.
Thank you po. Good morning po sa lahat.
Good morning!
The DOT and of course the Hospitality and Tourism School in Mindanao. We greet with Mabuhay and Adayan.
Mura siya si Sir Earl. Mura si Sir Earl.
Mabuhay. Welcome to LPU Davao.
Mawalan taga LPU, di ba?
On behalf of the Lyceum of the Philippines University Davao, it is with great pride and joy that I welcome all of you in our campus as TRC celebrates its 52nd founding anniversary. We are honored to serve as the venue for today's opening ceremony and sports fest in collaboration with TRC Region 11, our respected IPOS, and of course LPU Davao. Allow me to acknowledge and thank our esteemed guests on behalf of our leader, Honorable Basti Duterte. We have Mr. Mikey Apogadera from our Sports and Development Division of the City Government of Davao. And of course, our very dynamic regional director of TRC 11, Director Lael Arnandez, and all the IPO present,
Dito, sabi ka sa-
and members, officers. Good morning po and welcome to LPU Davao. We also extend our utmost gratitude to Dr. Bentayo and Mr. Roy Lino of TNA for coordinating and partnering with us in this collaboration. Allow me to extend our warmest greetings to all of you on behalf of our President, Dr. Peter Pilore, the President of the Lyceum of the Philippines University Network, from Manila, Batangas, Laguna, Cavite, and Davao, and our Chief Operations Officer, Dr. Jason.
Pre, anong duha man na yung balon, pre?
Again, we want to warmly welcome you at LPU Davao. You know, it's really heartwarming to see a lot of professionals gather in one event. It is seldom that we see each other. Professionally, we see each other in our workplaces, but in events like this, it is not always. And I'm thankful to PRC for organizing this sports fest because it allows us to see the other side of you as professionals. Kasi alam naman natin may mga professional quarrels sa ating mga professions. Diba? Minsan sa hospital, nag-aaway ang nurse at saka pharmacist. Pharmacist ko pala ako by profession. Ano, pharmacist ako sa hospital, marami ang kaaway ng nurse. Sorry. But of course, when we do the sports fest, it gives us a different image, looking at you not just by your profession, but as a person. Getting to know each other and giving us opportunity to work with each other. We also have GAP, civil engineers, criminologists. Ang konting ko ng interaction natin in the profession. But again, opportunities like this makes me very happy to see all of you and to meet all of you in this auspicious occasion. We commend PRC for reaching its 52nd year. This is a remarkable milestone, and again, the ongoing sports fest is a true commitment of bringing together all the IPOs and allowing us to work with one another to achieve outcomes of course set by PRC and ICT government. We especially applaud the initiative to contribute unity to sports. At LPU Davao, we deeply value sports. Actually, it's one of our forefront. As a lifestyle university, we value sports and we cultivate sports through our students. Actually, to give you a heads up, our sports director, Coach Noli Ayo, is trying to form a UAAP in Mindanao, something of that effect. So, hopefully in the next years, LPU Davao will lead in creation of that UAAP-like event in Mindanao. So, we don't have to go to Luzon or whatsoever. We can have our own schools here competing. I borrow these words, kalaro, hindi kalaban. So, we are trying to foster that, and I'm happy that we are aligned with PRC. Before we end, I'll give you a heads up on our team. Pasensya na po sa sira ko yung net namin sa volleyball, pero may bago kong parating bago ang sport. So, pakita nyo kung may butas po siya. Nag-disclaimer na. Nakasabihin nyo yan yung gagamitin sa game sa Pilipino. May bago kong parating, hindi lang po nakarating today. Once again, we welcome you at LP Davao. We wish that this celebration be joyful, meaningful, and we create connections to this friendly competition. Let us make this another year memorable. Mabuhay ang PRC, mabuhay ang mga Pilipinong professional. Maraming salamat po and welcome to LP Davao.
Thank you, Dr. Nadir. Tuesday, I'd like to call our General President of the Philippines University for generously hosting the venue for the 2025 PRC Sports Fest and giving of their unwavering support for the 52nd PRC founding anniversary and PRC Week, given this 17th day of May 2025 at the Lyceum of the Philippines University, Philippine Japan Country Road, Anakan, Davao City, signed by our Regional Director, Dr. R. Abante. Torch lighting, and after which the torch will be received by none other than our Regional Director and Mr. Apertolin.
Tuyok lang.
Tuyok.
Go! Take it away, Sir Mark!
Apa sih itu?
Cheers for the runners!
Dagan moy. Usog mo rin. Usog mo rin mo dagan si Dennis di ay.
Wapo mga SK o lagi padagan.
Lagi hinta to, di gyud kaabot. Di gyud kaabot kung SK mong padaganon.
Mr. Portadera and Miss Abrantes is now going to light our ceremonial torch.
Sige na.
Ako doon di ay.
Sige na kay.
Iwan mo na, RP.
Explain na na.
Yay! Now, for our cheers and yells, we will now call on our APOS and our PRC personnel. Perhaps we will start with the biggest number. Or the biggest number the last. Let's start with our vice. Oh, 50 seconds lang. 1, 2, go! Thank you, Nampak! First Nampak! Don't Nampak Flowers, speak up! Speak up! 50 seconds! Yay! 50 seconds! Where's DNA?
Palakpak. Kaduha lang.
We need DNA yaman! Where's Big Bang? Where is Captain? Dalawa lang sila, hindi sila magpapatalo. Where is UAP? Rise from UAP! Thank you, and of course, PRC!
Wala.
PRC! 50 seconds!
Wala.
Okay, thank you very much. Now everyone, please let us proceed to the gym. We will have our second part of the program. We will go this way, please. Thank you.